All right, guys, we're gonna do a huge ham radio unboxing today. If you haven't, check out the other video I just made. I'll link it below in the description. But basically, I talked about everything that's going on with the channel, the giveaways we're gonna be doing, and some just general updates about what's next. So to go along with that, I'm gonna go ahead and make an unboxing video on this huge ham radio haul that we got, but this is specific to handy talkies. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, guys, next up on my messy table here, let's unbox the FT-65 from Yaesu. I know it's Yaesu, I'm just saying it funny. All right, got some manuals, got some certificate, warranty card, and got the little handheld here, which is kind of small. So, sorry if I didn't show that too well. That's kind of small. Let's take it out of the bag. And this one's made in China, guys. This is usually Yaesu's made in Japan, so kind of surprised to see this one was made in China. But yeah, it feels pretty good in the hands. It doesn't feel cheap or anything like that, so that's good. And then to go along with that, let me go ahead and raise the camera up just a minute. All right, to go along with that, they give you a charging base. They give you an adapter for that charging base, which is stuck on there. And they also give you some plugs depending on where you're at internationally. It looks like a European plug. And then we also get a belt clip. And then I'm guessing in here is going to be the battery. Yep, here's the battery. And here is the antenna. Cool. So we got everything we need right here. So awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and try and slide all this stuff back in here as best I can. And guys, whatever. And this Yaesu FT-65 is gonna be one of our giveaway radios, so I hope you'll get a chance to enter to win this. So stay tuned on the channel, guys, and you'll learn how to enter those giveaways. That's the FT-65. And then we also got the, where is the programming cable? Oh. So we also got the RT65 programming cable for that FT-65. And then we got the one for the Icom. That's going to be in the giveaway as well, and I'll transfer the licenses to you guys. And this is going to be the Icom IC-T10. So, got some instruction manuals on the top there. And guys, I waited to unbox all this stuff for you guys, so. Got the Icom. Nice. Feels good, feels rugged. And this one is made in Japan, guys. That's one thing I love about Icom is all their stuff is made in Japan. And the buttons feel a little bit better on this one. So, yeah. It's a little bit smaller screen than what the Yaesu has, but it all feels really good. So, that's the first time I've ever bought that HT. Or one of Icom's lowest end HTs, because I usually buy the stuff that I got here, but get a nice little whippy antenna. Oh, but at this price point, guys, they're giving you the charging base too, so that's cool. That's usually a $50 option, so just so you're aware, get the belt clip. And then I'm guessing in here is going to be the power adapter, and then this is going to be the battery pack. So yeah, get the battery pack. And then we're gonna get the adapter, probably with some yep, it's gonna be the power adapter in there. I'm not gonna open all that, so yeah, that's pretty cool. So at the price point, at the low end price point that both of these radios, the Icom and the Yaesu, come in at, that's pretty awesome that you guys are going to get a base with it. So that's big ups Icom and Yaesu for doing that for people. All right, next up. These are on sale right now for $17 at mtcradio.com. Rich, if you get a chance to ever see this video, I just want to thank you for you and Christine being awesome. I didn't get a chance to meet you guys at Hamvention, but you guys always ship my orders out same day, and you always are responsive on the phone. So thank you. I appreciate you guys. So I had ordered a Flex radio from them, is what it was. They had a refurbished Flex. I bought that from them. And I did open this one already, but I left it all the same. But for 17 bucks, I think I'm going to buy like 5 more of these things because I think they're pretty sweet for $17. But, and just give them to some friends that maybe might hopefully get their license. But this was the Wouxun. I don't know how you exactly say it, but there it is. And it's a nice little radio, guys. This is pretty rugged. I mean, this is going to be better than a Baofeng, to be honest with you. And you get a nice size battery here from Wouxun. So my honest opinion is that these are better than a Baofeng, because I've known Wouxun HTs for a while now. I've used them for years. Every now and then, they're not my go-to choice, but if I had to pick one that says that was a cheap one for you guys to get into, I would definitely pick this one. This one has a USB-C cable right here, right? So you get USB-C, so you don't have to buy a crazy programming cable. And then you got a speaker with a mic right there, so you can do, you can attach a headset to it, or you can attach, you know, one of those cool little handy chest mics. And I'll fire this one up for you guys real quick. Oh yeah, it's just the... There you go. And it's actually a color screen for $17, guys. $17 right now is how much these cost. And they're over at mtcradio.com. And I think that these are a lot better than a Baofeng. So I'm going to buy 5 more of these, I think, because I want to use them for giveaways for friends' birthdays and stuff like that, that are my ham buddies and whatnot. So, but yeah, this is a... But yeah, this is going to be way better than a Baofeng, guys, at a $17 price point. So along with that, you're also obviously going to... Well, I should probably turn that off. You're also going to get the antenna for it. You're going to get the base for it. You're going to get some screws, and you're going to get this little thing. And then the screws are for the belt clip. So you guys are... So what's pretty cool about all these HTs is that the manufacturers are just giving you guys the charging bases, because on the most expensive rigs that I've purchased or most expensive HTs I purchased, they haven't came with all of this cool stuff. And then you get an instruction manual with the Wouxun. But I'm going to go buy a bunch more of those Wouxuns probably today. Even though I don't need them, but I think they'd be great to have for friends or giveaways or anybody who might be interested in getting into the hobby. So for 17 bucks plus a little bit of shipping, you can't beat the Wouxun. And that is the model KG-UV96. And that is a dual band handheld, guys. And then let's go through the rest of the ones I got. So this is the Retevis Ailunce is what it is. And this is model HA2. This one is a dual band ham radio. And I can't remember what I got this for, but I thought it was cool. So figured might as well just try it out. Retevis makes some good stuff from everything I'm hearing from everybody. So I know I got a good deal on it, so I figured why not. So these are made in China as well. But this one's pretty nice, guys. It definitely feels pretty good. It's got the speaker mic option there. It's got a nice push to talk. Nice button. It feels pretty good in the hand. So, yeah. Buttons feel good. Not bad at all, guys. So, got a big number pad and everything. I think that's pretty cool from Retevis. I think that's it's a nice one. I think that's a good looking HT. It feels good. It feels rugged. So, this is the first Retevis I've ever bought. So I think that's pretty cool when you get a nice little user manual. But let's see what else is in this box. What does Retevis give us? Well, they're going to give us the HT antenna. And, oh, this is something I was not expecting, guys. They are giving us a nice, high-quality programming cable. So that's specific to this radio. Big ups on that one, Retevis. Good job. Because you don't see those in radios very often. So... All right, what else do we got? So we get a USB adapter. We get the USB cable for charging. We get a belt clip. And then we get the battery. Well, that's a heavy battery, guys. Let's go ahead and pull it out for you. Why not? That's a pretty heavy battery. So far, hands on this Retevis is, I'm pretty impressed. Like, now granted, we haven't used this yet, but I'm pretty impressed by the feel, the quality of all this stuff. And then, of course, you get the nice charging base, too. So, I don't know what I'm going to do with all these charging bases that I got. But Retevis, man, I like the box and the packaging, too, as stupid as it sounds. I know we're not here to grade the box and the packaging, but I think the box and the packaging is kind of nice, too. So, that's always nice to see. So, yeah, that's the Retevis Ailunce Ailunce HA2. So, yeah, I like that. That's a pretty nice rig. So, I don't remember what I paid for that one, but it was on the Prime Day deal with Jason. So, yeah, guys, that's a pretty cool one. All right, now this one isn't technically ham radio because is a GMRS radio, which I don't have a GMRS license, but I'm going to get one just to kind of see what everything's about. So, guys, this is the Retevis Ailunce model HA1G. And this is the GMRS radio. Now, I'm a ham guy, and I've never done GMRS, but, you know, hey, figured why not just give it a shot, give it a try, why not? See what's going on. All right, so first off, we're going to get the manual, which is great. Retevis gives you a programming cable, which is not very common in this space. They give you the nice Ailunce rig, so that's pretty cool. I like that. That's a nice rig. It feels good in the hand. Feels good, you know, if you're holding it to talk on it. Buttons feel good. Yeah, I like that. I like the way that feels. So, good job, Retevis. You also get the charging base. You're also getting a little hand strap. You're getting an AC, a little USB plug. And then you're also getting one of these plugs. So I'm probably going to have to buy like a big USB charging thing for all this stuff I got. And then you also get the battery. And then you get the belt clip. So this has everything you need in it for sure to get going on GMRS. It's got, it's got the battery. It's got the, let me show you that, guys. You can charge that battery right there in the back with USB-C. Love it. Awesome. All right, so we're going to go ahead and put this one back. But if you guys are going to get started in GMRS, I know I'm not a GMRS guy 100%, but I am a radio guy. And if you guys are going to get started in GMRS with radios, I think this Ailunce is pretty nice. So, yeah. I think that's pretty nice. I haven't used it yet, but I think just based upon that and the quality I'm feeling, I think that gets an A+ for me, considering the price point on that one. So, all right, last but not least, the UV-Pro by BTech, which is also Baofeng, if you guys didn't know. This is the first ever Baofeng I've ever purchased, because I've always been a big no on the Baofengs, guys, because I just believe in supporting, our bigger manufacturers that are making us a ton of products. So I believe in supporting those guys, especially Icom, since they're made in Japan. A lot of Yaesu's made in Japan as well. So I'm kind of, not that I'm anti-China or anything like that. It's just I want to support the guys that are really supporting our communities. And Baofeng doesn't really do anything to support the ham radio community, whereas Icom and Yaesu do. More so Icom, because Icom supports a ton of events. But anyways, this is the UV-Pro UHF and VHF radio. And on the back here it says GPS, app programming, Bluetooth, emergency functions, broadcast, receive on FM, 3x6 channel groups, NOAA, weather alert, dual watch, dual reception, USB, direct charging. And I believe, if I remember correctly, guys, this radio actually does APRS as well. So this is kind of an all-in-one handheld from what it seems like. And I just wanted to give Baofeng a shot by buying one of their best radios. And if this is as good as it's claimed to be, guys, then, hey, I'm going to have to give Baofeng a little bit of credit. So this is the UV-Pro, and let's go ahead and crack it open, and I'll give you my honest thoughts on this thing. First time I put my hands on it, so this is it. It definitely feels good in the hands. The button feels good. Button feels good. Button feels good. Oh, nice click on that. And from what I understand, these are actually designed in the USA and they're just made in China. So, but overall, I'm actually kind of impressed a little bit. This actually feels pretty good. You can actually put a headset in here, or a mic for your chest mic. But so far, the buttons feel good. It feels heavy duty. I'm actually kind of impressed a little bit. This actually feels really good. So, awesome. So far, Baofeng, you're kind of impressing me a little bit here. All right, what else do we get here? All right, guys, we're not getting a charging dock with this one. Kind of surprising, considering everybody else today gave us a charging dock, right? But I'm sure they're available for cheap. All right, USB-C on the back for charging. And it doesn't look like this actually supports on a charging dock. Yeah, because you look at that, that's not going to be supported on a charging dock, it looks like. So now it makes sense on why they just give you the USB-C in the back, which I think that's perfectly fine. No big deal. They give you the cable, if you need a USB-C cable. Ooh, they give you a little wrench to put on the belt clip, it looks like. And then you get the belt clip in here, which is that same, we're going to call it tactical tan, like, FDE, whatever it is. And then you get a little, nice little color manual too. So guys, so far, even though I'm kind of I've never really had a Baofeng at all whatsoever, and I've never really been a big fan of them. I must say that so far the product does feel pretty quality. So, you can't knock anything that's quality, and it feels good in the hands. So, yeah, I kind of like that. So, I'm really interested in trying to use this and see what happens with it, because if it's as good as some other people have said it is, then, I'm going to have... the biggest thing about this channel is I like staying honest with you guys about everything. And if this is a good radio and I got a good signal report off of it, then I'm going to share it with you guys. So, yeah. But that is the radio that I cannot put back in the box. So, anyways, guys, I'm trying to think if we got anything else to unbox today. No, that should be it. But, yeah, I'm excited to get this project going with you guys. If you didn't know, this is the previous video I talked about. We're going to start talking about HT some more. We're going to start doing some videos about HT some more. And I'm really looking forward to that. So I hope you guys will kind of join me on the ride, and we'll do some cool stuff with HTs. And I'm really excited to try some of these cheaper radios, because I've kind of been a little bit of a radio snob all these years. And with my Icoms and my Kenwoods and a Yaesu every now and then. So I'm excited to get going with this and kind of see where it leads and see what kind of audio reports and stuff like that I'm getting. I'm going to see if maybe I can figure out a way to record that audio, maybe build some kind of station here at the house that can like receive the audio and record it. And maybe we'll kind of determine that way how these things work. I don't know yet, but I just wanted to get the video out there, get you guys excited about this series. I'm excited about this series, and yeah. Well, until the next one, guys, 73s. And if you can, like and subscribe on your way out the door. It'd be much appreciated, because at 2,000 subscribers, we're giving away 2 of these radios and the programming cables. So stick around.